Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaisa S. So friends, today we are going to learn something different and something unique. So today I will teach you how to make pixel art on Scratch with three methods. So first I will just delete this regular cat, and now I will go here and I will choose any sprite which I want to be a pixel. So let's take a kind of people category. In people category you can take anyone, and let me see which one is better for me. So I'm seeing here what is good. Okay, so let's take some a kind of boy. So let's see here. You can take anyone, but let me see here. Okay, so I want to take this Sasha. So I will take this Sasha. So first method is to get pixel art on your sprite. So what it is, so you have to take a sprite, then you have to go in event block, you have to take when the green flag clicked, and then simply you have to go in looks block and you have to take something different, change color effect by. So instead of color we want pixelate. So you can choose this number. I am going to do it as a 60. So there are three methods as I said. So first method is to take a sprite and then you can put a coding on it. So let's see. I will just click on green flag. So as you can see how it's happening, it's a pixel. Now I want something different, so I will do it as let's me do 45. So when I will do 45, so what will happen, you can see now this is pixel art. We called it as a pixel art. Let's see to be 20. So you can see this is a pixel art of a sprite. This is the first method as I said. Let's make something new. So again I will go here and I will take it a kind of animal category this now. So now I am going to teach the second method of how to create a pixel art. So let's take this dragon. Yeah, this dragon is much more good. So now we will just make its size. You can say as a size you can do it to 90. Okay, so let's do it 90. So I have done its size also. So let me put it here. And now the second method is what you can do. You can go on the costume button. Yeah, now you can choose the convert to bit. After that you can just take it as a like this. You have to just click. So now are you getting? So I want this whole, so I will just click it. Yeah, so now I can small it. So when I will just go here, you can see now I am getting. So first let me choose. Yeah, now I choose that. Now I want a small one. So what I will do, I will take this, I will do it like this. So what we can do, we can make it small by this. So this is the second method. So first you have to go on this, you have to just do like this, and then you can even choose this whole. Yeah, after that you have to just small it. You can see now I will just open it. So you can see this is also a pixel art. When I will zoom it, so you can see these all are from pixel art. So this two we called a pixel art. So now was the second method, and third method we will choose. What I will do, I will just go on the coding of it, and now I will create on this time on the third method of it. The third method is that you can take this brush and you can make anything. So what I will do, I will just convert to bitim, and when I will do it, so I will just make it more large. When I will more large it, so I will get a pixel art for it. Now I can make anything as I want. So again I will click here. You can see you can make it more large. So let me more it. Yeah, we will do it same again and again. Yeah, now I can make anything. Whatever I will draw, I will get it. So let's first make it size to be 5. Okay, go it, and then what we will make it something. So it will draw as a pixel art. You can see this. You can see here. You can see if you want. So even you can make. You can erase it again, and you can then make it. So I will just go here. I will just rip this all also. Yeah. Now what I will do, I will just convert to the this vector. Now I don't have any kind of this, so I will again delete this sprite. Again I will take a brush and when I will take a brush, so I will again just big it, large it. So I done this now. Now at this time even we will change the size of brush. So let's first change the size of the brush. So the size of brush will be okay, so we will do it at 2, like a 3. Yeah, 3 is better. We will take it and then we will take this brush and we can make it anything. So when you will just zoom it, so you will get to draw. You can see. Now I will again erase this all. This now I erase this. I will go in the convert to bitum and I will make something. You can see now this is save it as a pixel art. This is also pixel art. You can make any kinds of eyes also like that, and then you can fill the color also. So let's fill the color like this. Okay, I will fill the color as I want. So let me choose this one. This is a turquoise color and I will click here and I can change its color. Now you can see it's so great. You can that. So this is now it's not showing because it's too small. So let me take this one. Now you can see this is my sprite is here. You can see here. So what I will do now, I will just make it size more. So then you can see because we made this, so we have to make it size more. Now even if I will do 900, so even there the size will be not that much big. Yeah, I want like this. So you can see here you can make this kind of pixel art on Scratch with 3 methods. First, you can take any sprite and you can put the coding on it. Second, I will take it this dragon and I can minimize it, maximize it, then I will get a pixel art. Third, I will just make a sprite on the costume and I will large it, so then I will get it. So friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it, share it, and welcome this channel, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.